We engaged and destroyed the enemy column in accordance with mission parameters. No, I received no such orders to disengage and fall back, Chasso. Perhaps there was some form of atmospheric interference.
Sub-Commander El Miyamoto serves as a pathfinder of the Fire Caste. Born on the world of Tau, with Miyamoto's success during the trial by fire, during his tenure within the Pathfinder teams, strangely, the promising warrior refused to join the ranks of the Crisis teams, nor don their battlesuits. Offered to join a number of stealth teams as an alternative, Miyamoto again refused to leave the ranks of his Pathfinder teams, which he had proven adept at leading. Though it is unconventional for a Pathfinder to achieve the rank of Chassel, the warrior known as Darkstrider has refused promotions on innumerable occasions in order to remain fighting by the side of his comrades. A master of striking from the shadows and using his environment to his advantage, despite his expertise, many a Tau commander despise El Miyamoto due to his nigh insubordinate behavior. Achieving victories from the Necrons of Galif to the Zeist campaign, though many bristle at his methods and flagrant rejection of many mantras of the Fire Caste, Darkstrider's deeds are beyond reproach. Earning his title of Darkstrider during the Great Wars of Confederation, Miyamoto's team infiltrated the lines of the Orcs, managing to mark Gargant construction zones with marker lights. Charging into the thickest of fighting and achieving victory with little to no casualties, Darkstrider's experience, when combined with his analysis made by his prototype structural analyzer, enables him to inflict crippling strikes onto enemy positions. Adaptable and courageous, the efforts of Darkstrider despite his infamy have earned him great respect from his superior officer, Commando Shadowsun, during the Battle of Mugalaf Bay. Locating an Imperial Vindicari assassin tasked with killing Commander Farsight, El Miyamoto's instincts proved crucial in avenging the deaths of many Pathfinders who had died tracking and ultimately failing to engage the killer. Firing 2 shots from within the Gargoyle Spire, the assassin came close to ending the life of Oshova, ending several armored battlesuits who returned fire to no avail. Falling back, knowing his target was now beyond reach, the Vindicare bounded across the rooftops surrounding the spire, his killing spree ended by the ambush of Darkstrider. Riddling the assassin with AI-coordinated pulse fire, Miyamoto hurled a single photon grenade to momentarily stun the assassin. Wounded by a final burst of the Vindicare's Exitus pistol, while 6 Pathfinders died from the gunfire, El Miyamoto fired every round of his pulse carbine, one-handed into the assassin. The attempt on Farsight's life thwarted. Darkstrider recuperated from his wounds before once more taking to the field. His acumen as a scout and brilliant infiltrator, an invaluable boon for the Fire Caste.